Lecture 43, Fixing 404 Error. In the previous lecture we've encountered, server responded with a status of 404 error. In this lecture we'll try to fix that particular error. While searching over Stack Overflow, I've found that the similar kind of error has been encountered by another developer. The fix of this particular error is super easy. We just need to modify the base tag in our project's index.html file as. We need to pass our GitHub repository name to it. This is one of the common issue while deploying Flutter web app or any web app for the sake if the hosting provider adds an additional path to the main domain. Now let's push our main branch, first. Next we'll run pnet tool and push ghpages branch. Now the changes has been successfully pushed to GitHub, the pages build and deployment action is running. Now let's check out our web app. Great, it's successfully deployed with GitHub pages. In the next lecture we'll test out our application. Thank you.